Hey, I'm heading out for the day, and I came here in my bathroom, right, to just get ready, and I'm looking at some of the reminders that I have here that I've placed over the years and over the months, and of things that I want to achieve, goals that I'm going after. And one of the ways that I personally am able to achieve my goals is to make sure that they're constantly at the forefront of my mind. Sometimes when we want to do something big, right, we want to do something that may be out of sight, we may think it's unreachable or unattainable. One of the best ways to do that is to make sure that it's consistently at the forefront of your mind. Like you're consistently getting reminders about it. You're consistently getting reminders that it's possible. You're consistently seeing that this is something that you said you want to set a goal for and you want to achieve. So one of the ways that I do that is by, boom, posting them on my mirror, right? I'm not going to share them with you too much, but I post them on my mirror. I post them on places where I'm more likely to see them on a regular basis, right? So it might be on my dashboard. I might have a small reminder. It might be on my nightstand. It might be on my desk here at home. It might be on my desk at my office, right? So I'm constantly seeing these things. And even when I'm not consciously thinking of them, subconsciously, I'm absorbing them and they're right there, right? So try this out. Get like your top 3 goals. Take a sticky, write them down, and if you can make it visual, it's even better. So like one of my goals, I'll share it with you, right, is to buy a 20-unit building, right, this year. So a 20-unit building. So what do I have? I've got like 3 or 4 different buildings that are printed out, buildings that are pretty much like the buildings that I want to purchase and that I'm going to purchase, right? Because the words are important. The projection into the future and what's going to happen is super important. So I have those printed out and I've got them in places where I'll consistently see them as reminders that this is my goal, the possibility of it, what I'm shooting for. And then also on those pictures, I have a reason why, right? What are some of my reasons? To be able to help people that need a good place, a solid place, a reliable place to live. To be able to create this foundation for my family so that we continue to build onto this empire, right? So that they have longevity long after I'm gone. To be able to create another form of passive recurring income. So you have all of your reasons on there as well, right? To be able to give someone who may truly be in need somewhere an opportunity to stay if they ever truly need it and they're not able to do it financially on their own. So make sure that not only are you putting your goals and some of the things that you want to go after in places where you'll consistently see them, but also attach your why to them as well. So I hope that helps you out. Go ahead and share this with someone else that may need this, right? If you got some value out of this thing, share this, like it, comment. As you guys know, I've got a pretty popular course called Kindle Cash Flow that helps people to be able to create a recurring passive income stream by self-publishing books on Amazon's publishing platform, their Kindle Direct publishing platform, as a matter of fact. Every single video, what I do is, for the people that share, like, and comment, I enter you into a drawing to win a copy of my Kindle Cash Flow program. This program costs $1,000, $997. So what I'm going to do is, regardless of when you see this video, you might see it like immediately after it's posted. You might see it a week, a month, a year later after it's posted. But I'm going to draw, right, from those people that comment, like, and share, and 10 people will get a free copy of his Kindle Cash Flow program just by going in and commenting, liking, and share. Tell me what it is about this video that you like. Let me know if you're doing this already. And also, I'm a big believer in this stuff. I'm a big believer in projecting and intending and putting out what it is that you want. So share some of what works really well for you as well, because I study this stuff a lot as well, and I'm always looking for new methods and new tactics. So whatever works for you when it comes to goal setting, share it right now so that not only do I get benefit from it, but other people that are watching this video and that are looking at the comments, they also get to see how cool you are and how smart you are and how, you're using some of this stuff in your own life, as well. All right, I'll see you on the other one. Peace. Go ahead and think big, do big, continue to move big.